Hello everyone, it's Yuskun with another Photoshop manipulation tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to achieve this cinematic alien look on pictures like this. So you can see that this spaceship just landed, and you can see there are little fireworks, smokes around the ship. You can see little monsters arriving towards the girl here, and the girl is looking for someone to rescue. Did I just say that? Okay, so let's go to Photoshop CS6. This is the original image here. Okay, how all of these things are done on a separate layers. Is the first monster here. This is the girl, and all of these are created step by step. You can see all these layers are on a separate layer. So let's open a new document here. So Control 0. These are the reference images that I've used. Let me try to open them here. You can see they are separate. So first, let's open this guy. So this is the first picture here, but the first thing I would love to do, I want to remove this light, this distracting light here. So I'm going to be using elliptical marquee tool. Let's press left click and hold shift like so. Okay, let's hit delete and make sure it's content aware here and 100%. Just okay there. Okay, Control D. So the second step here is let's try to bring our mouse down here. Control 0. Okay, this is the monster here. Bring it here. Control T to scale it. Control T. But before we scale it, I would love to convert it to smart object so that it doesn't reduce any resolution from the pics. So Control T, scale it downward, lifting up, scale it a little bit, like so. It's okay like this. So let's change the environment there. Go to settings, color lookup, change the first one here to moonlight. Okay, so I would love to invite our spaceship there. Control 0, locate, let's see, yeah, this guy, spaceship. So let's use this guy to separate the ship from the black background there. Okay, refine edge. Click on this and increase this guy a little bit. Just click on smart radius and hit OK. Okay. So hide this guy, unlock this guy, remove the second one here, just with a quick trace. So refine edge and okay. Refine edge, increase this guy a little bit, click on smart radius, click on this guy, new layer. So refine edge, new layer, and hit OK. Gonna be deleting these guys. So click on the first one and the second one and move it to where Ctrl T, scale it down. Okay. Click on the, what's it called? Let's try to rename this guy monster. Shift it like so. Okay. On this bottom shape, rename this guy top shape. So lift it up like so. The other one, bring it down like so. Okay. Okay. Let's center it. So I would love to create some little reflecting light here, and we'll be adding some little smoke there. So go to, what's it called? Go to Eclipse, create a white, fill in white like this. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, that's okay. Okay, I think 10. Sorry. I think 49 is okay, and hit OK. We'll change the color to overlay, sorry, the blending mode to overlay, and bring it under the bottom. And double click, hit Ctrl J 4 times here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and group it, call it ground light, like so. Bring it under. Okay. Okay. Ctrl T, scale it, hold Shift Alt, scale it a little bit. Okay. So let's bring in let's create a little reflection light here. So go to rectangle, marquee 2. Okay. Press B on your keyboard to locate brush and create a new layer. Paint it white. Ctrl D to deselect and change this guy's opacity to 50%. Hit OK. So let's bring let's introduce more character there. So instead of importing this guy, I've already this lady here, I already removed all sorts of background around her. So I'll be using it like this. Convert to smart object. Ctrl T, hold Shift, scale it downward. Scale it a little bit. So okay. Bring it down. So okay. So bring it under the white light, kind of center my picture like so. Okay. And use this guy a little bit just to cover this area. And this edge is looking somehow too sharp there. Go to blur, Gaussian blur, it's too much. Okay. And it's like her arm is going off the light. So once you click on this and shift her a little bit inside. So let's bring in more character there. Okay, so this light, it's already cropped like this, so we're using it like that. Ctrl T, scale it down, adjust it like so, scale it down, so click a layer mask, right click, increase it, so we'll be removing this little funny light there. Okay, we're using polygon tool to select the ray of light. Okay, create a new layer, B to select it like so. Okay, Ctrl D to deselect. Go to filter, blur, version blur, increase it a little bit like so. Go to mode, change it to overlay, and we'll be duplicating this guy up to 2 times instead. 2 times. So group it, and you can see the light is created. You can see the way the light is created. So Ctrl T to scale it, so the light is reflecting into the spaceship like so. So hold down Alt and shift it, Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal, and kind of bring in the image, the light instead, sorry. So the Mustang, shift it outside the light a little bit, and we're going to be selecting this whole area and increase the size. So top, bottom, okay, light, Ctrl T, scale it like so. Wow. So the final step here, we're going to be duplicating this Mustang a little bit around the environment there. So click on the Mustang, hold Alt to duplicate, and Ctrl T to freescale. Right click to bring it down your options, flip horizontal, and hold Shift while reducing the size there. Hit Enter. Hold Alt once more and duplicate it like so. Yeah. Kind of like the environment like this. Well, thank you very much. This is how I was able to come about with this funny cinematic look on this kind of environment. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much, and goodbye.